You are probably here because making money in the market has eluded you for so long, but I am here with the solution, the signaler. This indicator has single-handedly made my trading experience super pleasurable. I have gone from struggling to enter in on these trades to just being told when to enter and just working out where to take profit. I'm using this indicator every single day, and I have shown you previous results from cryptocurrency and forex. Now today is a Sunday for me, and I'm going to show you that the XRP trade that I took this morning bagged me some cash on my weekend. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Now we're on TradingView. I'm just going to show you how to put the indicator on. You click indicators, you go to invite only, and you click the signaler onto your page. You minimize this here, and as you can see, the signaler is now there. For those that are new here, when it says short, that is a signal to take a sell trade. When it says long, that is a signal to take a long trade. The red background means that you're in a bearish trend, and the green means that you're in a bullish trend. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I love to enter at the start of the London session. So for me, I have my coffee and I'm ready to go at 6 AM UK time, which is about here. I choose this time because as London opens, you are injected with a lot of volatility, which makes this indicator absolutely ruthless. So I'm going to zoom in just so you can see the trade that I took today. Now that I've zoomed in, I'm going to show you how this trade played out. Now, as price carries on moving, you can see that this big candle was pushed here. So I'm half expecting that the next candle is going to be a signal, but I have my alert set either way. As I play this next candle out, you can see that a short was given on this candle here. So all I do is I take my entry and I put my stop loss above the trend line here. Now, I do like to aim for liquidity points. So I was looking at this one, but the R&R just isn't there. A 0.2 just doesn't do it for me. So what I like to do is I like to look a little bit left to see what liquidity pools are on the other side. As you can see that there is a liquidity pool here, which I was initially eyeing up, but the R&R wasn't quite there. It was still under one R&R, a 0.67. So again, I look for another liquidity pool, and you can see that there is one here. So I looked for this one and I set my take profit all the way to here, which gave me a take profit of a 1.3. So as we play this out, you can see how exactly this trade worked. We pulled back a little bit and then we started to push back down to take the first point of liquidity here. As we carry on, I expect a little pullback before it comes to take the next liquidity point, which it did, before then pushing down even further to the final take profit. That is a 1.3 backed. So to put that in monetary terms, if you're risking 1% of your account, you've just made 1.3%. If you're risking $1,000, you've just made $1,300. Now the links are in the description below for you to get to this Telegram page. You can see here that they are offering a 1-day free trial for the VIP group, which I'm going to show you in a second. You can see the different plans that you have here, but you just want to go ahead and grab the lifetime bundle as it gives you full access to everything. It's the one that I have and it's the one that I recommend for you guys. Once you click that, you then get redirected to the page where you click pay by crypto, and as you can see there are many different ways that you can pay. Personally, I choose USDT as it is a stable coin and my money won't fluctuate as I'm waiting to pay. Once you've paid and you have the full access, you get access to the VIP group, which is this. You can see here the different trades that the community take. You see here a 41% profit, 280% profit, 82% profit, 176% profit, and the signals that they give out. They give you the entry and they give you the take profit, and you can start making money with all of these guys and myself. As always guys, the links are in the description below. So go ahead, click those and get involved. I have shown you how easy it is every single day to make money in the markets with this indicator. So go ahead, like, subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to be alerted for my next video.